Hi, this is Charlie from FuneralTemplates.com. I'm going to show you how to add a photo collage to your funeral program using our photo collage template. Once you have purchased and downloaded the photo collage template from FuneralTemplates.com and opened it in Microsoft Word, this is what it will look like. Here you can see small collages. We also have some medium collages and some full page collages here. And if you go to the top of the document on the first page, there are some simple instructions to follow. Now I'm going to edit this small collage right here. So to edit, I'm going to click it, and you'll see that the photos are grouped together. So to edit this one here, I tap it again. I click Shape Format. I go to Shape Fill and click the little arrow and click Picture. I select my picture from my files, insert it, and you'll see it's a little bit stretched. So what we're going to do now is click Picture Format, click Crop, the little arrow next to Crop, and click the button Fill, and this pops it in the right proportions into the square. Now if you would like to move your photo around to put them in the center, you can move them left or right or up or down within the little frame. You can also zoom in, so you click the little box there, zoom it out and put it into the middle. So I think I'm going to leave it right there. Now to put the collage into my funeral program, I click it. I either press Ctrl+C or right click and press copy. And then I go to my funeral program. I'm going to put it right here, so I'm going to delete this. I'm going to paste the photo into the document now. So I press Ctrl+V, or you can press right click and paste, and it puts the collage into the document. And then we just line it up where we would like it, and it's done. If you would like to purchase this photo collage template, you can either click the link in the description below this video or go to funeraltemplates.com.